I'm going to do a video on how to install JLU, and this also would work with the JKU. When you buy the side window decals, you'll get them like this. So they're already pre-cut and out. Take some rubbing alcohol, and you want to make sure and clean this window, especially around the edges. Thoroughly, you want to thoroughly clean it. You don't really want to use Windex. Windex will leave a film on the window. Once that film breaks down, then your decal isn't really holding on to the window like it should. And ensure this is dry. You can actually walk away from it, allow it to evaporate. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and place the decal. The straight edge goes to the front. You can place this up here. And what I do is I peel this down a little bit. Cut this paper across the top. Set this in place. Rub that decal in there real well. Pull this off. And I just barely have a hold of it. And I rub this in. You can take a squeegee. This way it hits the whole window. And you'll do the same thing on the other side. Of course, you want to make sure that that's to the front. And then enjoy your new window decal. This will work with perforated vinyl or solid vinyl.